Hello dear students, welcome to NET Biology Education. So today I will discuss from Zoology part, section A, question number 151 to 185. So already I have discussed botany part from question number 101 to 150. Who did not watch the previous three lecture, you can watch. I will give the link in I button. Otherwise you can subscribe this channel and you can watch the video. So let's start the question 151. Question number 151 brought. This is the previous year's paper, dear students. Question number 2023 NET set H1 booklet. Okay, so question number 151 broad palm with single palm create is visible in a person suffering from Klinefelter syndromes, thalassemia, option 3 Down syndrome, option 4 Turner syndrome. So option 3 is the correct option, Down syndromes. Broad palm with single palm is visible in a person suffering from Down syndrome. Option 3 is the correct option. Question number 152. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. A portion, a protein is imagined as a line, the left end represented by first amino acid, C terminal, and the right end represented by last amino acid and terminal. Statement 2. Adult human hemoglobin consists of 4 subunits, 2 subunit of alpha types and 2 subunit of beta type. In the light of the above statement shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Option 2 statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Option 3 both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Option 4 both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. So correct option is option 2. Option 2 is the correct option. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Okay dear student, whatever the red circle given here, so those are the correct option. Actually I collected from my students and I solved this paper. Okay dear students, let's discuss question number 153. Given below are statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A, nephrons are of two types, cortical and juxtamedullary, based on their relative position in cortex and medulla. Region are juxtamedullary. Nephrons have short loop of Henle, whereas cortical nephrons have longer loop of Henle. In the light of the above statement shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 is true but R is false. Option 1 is the correct option. Here dear students, others are wrong option. Option 2, 3, 4 are wrong option. Let's see question number 154. Match list 1 with list 2. Heroin effect on cardiovascular system. Option B, marijuana. Option 2, slow down body function. Cocaine. 3, painkiller. Option D, morphine. Sorry dear students, 154 was the question. Okay, morphine interfere with transport of dopamine. Shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 given A4, B3, C2, D1. Option 2 given A3, B4, C1, D2. Option 3 A2, B1, C4, D3. So option 3 is the correct option. Option 3 is the correct option. A is matching with 2. Heroin is slow down body function. Option B is matching with 1. Marijuana effect on cardiovascular system. So like this you have to match and you have to answer the correct option. Question number 155. Vital capacity of lung is this. Option 2 is the correct option. IRB plus ERB plus TV. You get in respiratory system, dear student, in 11th class 11th NCERT biology. From there it's given vital capacity of lung is IRV plus ERV, inspiratory reserve volume plus expiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume. Okay, dear students, that is called vital capacity of lungs. So option 2 is the correct option. Question number 156 match list 1 with list 2. P wave, beginning of systole. Q wave, repolarization of ventricles. Option C, QRS complex, depolarization of artery. D, T wave, depolarization of ventricles. So the correct answer from the option given below. So option 3 is the correct option. A3, B1, C4, D2. Dear students, you have to match and you have to correct. Option A given P wave matching with option 3, depolarization of arteria. Option B matching with I, beginning of systole. Option C IV. Option C 4, depolarization of ventricle. Option D matching with 2, repolarization of ventricles. So let's see question number 157. Match list 1 with list 2. Left side given cells and right side given secretions. So which cell what secretes? Okay, dear students, option A given peptic cells. Here given mucus, goblet cells, bile juice. C, oxyntic cells, proenzyme pepsinogen. Option D, hepatic cells, HCl, and intrinsic factor for absorption of vitamin B12. So the correct answer from the option given below. So which one will be the correct option? Option 1 is the correct option. A3, peptic cells, it will be its secretion is proenzyme pepsinogen. Goblet cells 1, mucus secretion. Goblet cell will secrete mucus, dear students. Oxyntic cells will secrete HCl and intrinsic factor for absorption of vitamin B12, and D will be hepatic cells will secretion. Hepatic cell secretion is bile juice, dear students. Hepatic bile juice. Hepatic means liver. Bile juice secretion. Question number 158 match list 2 1 with list 2. Vasectomy. Oral method, coitus interruptus, barrier method, cervical caps, surgical method, Sheheli natural method. Shows the correct answer from the option given below. So which one will be correct option? Option 4 is the correct option here. A is matching with 3. That is vasectomy. Vasectomy means surgical method. Vasectomy. During surgery, vasectomy is done by the surgeon, doctor. B is matching with 4, coitus interruptus, natural method. Okay, dear students, cervical caps will be matched with 2, barrier method. Option D, Saheli, is matched with option 1, oral method. Question number 159, which one of the following? So correct option is option 4. Question number 159, which one of the following common sexually transmitted disease is completely curable when detected early and treated properly? Option 1, hepatitis B. Option 2 is HIV infection. Option 3 genetic herbs. Option 4 gonorrhea. So gonorrhea is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer, that is gonorrhea. 160 number question, match list 1 with list 2. So option 3 is the correct option. You have to match, dear students. If the matching questions will come, you have to match from left side to right side. Option 3 is the correct answer here. Option A, ringworm. Ringworm is matching with option 2, trichophyton. Option B, filariasis is matching with option 3, Husaria bronchiopty. Option C, matching with 4, Plasmodium vivax. That is malaria. Malaria is Plasmodium vivax. Option D, matching with 4. Option D, pneumonia is matching with option 1, Haemophilus influenza. So option 3 is the correct option. Let's see question number 161. Which of the following are not considered as the part of membrane system? So left side to right side you have to match. Option 4 is the correct option. S, C and E only. S, C and E only. Okay, dear students, S, C and E only is the correct answer. Mitochondria, peroxisome and chloroplast. Mitochondria, chloroplast and peroxisomes are the correct answers. Option 4. Question number 162. Which of the following is not a cloning vector? Cloning vector. Dear students, probe is not a cloning vectors. Others are cloning vector. BR322 is the cloning vector. BSC, bacterial artificial chromosome, is also a cloning vector. Yeast artificial chromosome is also cloning vector. So which is not? The question is said that which of the following is not a cloning vector? Option 2, probe is not a cloning vector. Probe is not a cloning vector. So option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 163, match list 1 with list 2. So you have to match question number 1 left side to right side. 3 is the correct answer. 163 number question, option 3 is the correct option. A1. Dear students, A1. A leopard and a lion in a forest oblique grassland matching with 1. Competitions. Option B is matching with 2. A cuckoo laying egg in a crow nest. Broad parasitism. Option C, fungi and root of a higher plant in mycorrhizae. So option C is matching with 3. Mutualism. Option D is directly matching with 4. A cattle, egret and a cattle in a field, commensalism. Okay, dear students, option 3 is the correct option. Let's see question number 164. Which one of the following symbols represent mating between relatives in human pedigree analysis? Option 4 is the correct option. Okay, dear students, option 4, this symbol is correct answer here. Let's see question number 165. You have to match list 1 to list 1 with list 2. So option A, Tenia is matching with option 3, flame cells. Option B, Paramecium is matching with option 2, contractile vacuoles. Option C, Periplaneta matching with 4, IV uricose gland. Option D, Pleuretima is matching with 1 Nephridia. So option 1 is the correct option. Others 2, 3, 4 are wrong option here. 166 number question. Once the undigested and unabsorbed substances enter the cecum, their backflow is prevented by esophageal sphincter, pyloric sphincter. Option 3 sphincter of Oddi. Option 4 ileocecal valves. So option 4 is the correct option. Let's see question number 167. Left side to right side you have to match. Option 4 is the correct option. A. Gene A is matching with option 2. Trans-acetylase. Option B. Gene Y. Gene Y is matching with option 3. Permease. Option C. Gene I matching with 4. Repressor protein. D is matching with I. Gene Z. Option 1. Beta galactosidase. Okay dear students, let's see question number 168. Which one of the following techniques does not serve the purpose of early diagnosis of a disease for its early treatment? So option 4 is the correct option. Serum and urine analysis. Okay dear students, option 4 is the correct option. Others 1 to 3 is the wrong option here. Let's see question number 169. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Low temperature preserve the enzymes T in a temporary inactive state, whereas high temperature destroys enzymatic activities because proteins are denatured by heat. Statement 2. Given when the inhibitor closely resembles the substances in its molecular structure and inhibits the activity of the enzyme, it is known as competitive inhibitor. In the light of the above statement, shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 3 is the correct option. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Option 3 is the correct option. Let's see question number 170. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as assertion. Reason R. Assertion A. Endometrium is necessary for implantation of blastocysts. Reason R. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates that causes disintegrations of endometrium. In the light of the above statements, shows the correct answer from the option given below. Option 4 is the correct option. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So thank you for watching this video, dear students. I will discuss from question number 71 in the next lecture. So I will give the link in the I button. You can click there and watch the video. You will have all the watch the video. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share and put the bell icon, dear students. Thank you for watching this video.